My name is Saba. I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in UK for last 6 years now. I'm a nurse by profession, and I have been working for this work many years. And like every mom, I want to spend time with my family, my kids, but my job was too busy that I was not getting enough time. That's why I was looking for another option to earn, to be present with my family. And then I found this online business, which I'm doing now. And I'm very grateful that I have joined this. So, yeah, this is my story. Yes,
right?
yeah, here, yeah. Here, I want to add this. I love my job. It's not that I don't want to do my job. I love it. I love to serve people. That's why I'm here. But being a mom, I do have other responsibilities as well. And while I'm caring for other, this is my responsibility to take care of my own kids, my own family. And this is the reason I was looking for another option. Otherwise, yeah, I completely enjoy my job as a nurse. Yeah.
Sometimes I think, and I'm not meant for the job, but I'm in that job especially because it is paying my bills off. So there are people who are very
Yeah.
much affectionate to their jobs like you, and also people who don't really relate to their job, but we are in the job especially because it is serving us today, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah. Yeah, for both people, this is a business. Okay,
Yeah.
so Sabah, I want to ask you, what was your fears or uncertainties when you came across this business opportunity, and how exactly you navigated through all your fears and to a point to understand, yes, this is the business that I want to do, and or this is the one which can help me during this situation of my life.
Yeah. It wasn't easy at all, to be honest. Because I've been working as a nurse for a long time, as I said, and I'm quite comfortable in this. But when my third baby born, who is now 9 months old, and I was on my maternity leaves, I was starting looking for another option because I do have other children as well to take care of. And it is I was seeing the situation in front of me, what going to be happen if I'm doing the same job as long hour night. Now baby is with me. There is no one from back home with me to take care of my children. Here, I'm the one and my husband. So yeah, all things were going off. But when I started to look for the option, the big fear is it spamming? Is it going to work for me? How can I do this? I don't know anything how to do anything online, the digital skills, this all the things coming up on the Facebook, how people are doing the videos. So all things were in my mind, but I was keep praying to God. This is the important part. I was keep praying to the God to show me a path, to tell me something I can do to help me to be present with my children. And then one of my friends, she told me about this. First I was fearful. I took the step, but yeah, this is the big thing I faced, that how can I do this.
Yeah, totally agree. How has your journey been so far in this business, especially with respect to the training modules that you have gone through, and was those training easy? And you are already in a full time job, and you have given birth to your third one recently, right? Right. So you are
Yeah, and I reduced my hour actually.
okay.
When I returned back to the work after my maternity leave, I reduced my hours, so I'm part time now, and
Okay.
the other half time I'm still full time because I'm giving half of my time to my business now. But the good
Okay.
thing, I'm working from home. I'm working and I'm be present with the people I love most, with my kids, with my family. Yeah, this is the important thing. So yeah, when I started this, there was a fear, there was so many hesitation, there was uncertainty as well, to be honest. But as the time passes, I learned so much thing. There is so many things to learn. Courses are simple, very easy, and the people, the community around us is very supportive and helpful. So there is no doubt to say that we are connected to globally digital or online business owner community that are very humble, supportive at every step. This is most important thing which make this journey easier for me.
Yeah. True, true. Because as mothers, we are already juggling many roles and responsibilities here, and such supportive community looks like a backbone, right? And
Yes.
whenever we feel stuck or whenever we need that boost, okay, there are good days and bad days in business. So, but whenever we need that boost, there is a community, and they are telling us, yeah, this will be there, and challenges are everywhere, and you have to navigate it like this. Kind of, they tell us everything, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's true. Challenges is everywhere. Even when we are starting a new job, even in it's the same. If I'm a nurse for a long time, but when I'm moving my job from one hospital to another, still it took time to settle up, to familiarize yourself with the new environment, with the new people working with. So same here. It took a time for me, but not that much because the learning tools are very good, and in a very easy way, which are very helpful for anyone, even who have no background of doing these things, or no have don't have any experience. I didn't have any experience previously to do this.
Yeah, yeah, I totally get it because you're from a nursing background. Though I'm from
Yeah.
IT, and for me, digital skills are very new. I wasn't a social media person either. So,
Me
and
the same. Yeah.
yeah, coming, showing my face in the social media and doing some videos. And initially, I was like asking so many questions to myself. And should I really need to do this? And will people judge me? What if they think like that, like this? But then I understood slowly. And my personal development is what is important. And how authentic am I in front of the people is more important.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
rest is all just the drama that goes in our mind, and not actually what is happening outside, or me not the same thing that is happening outside. So let me just ignore all of it and just pitch
Yeah.
in and do what it takes, to ensure that I'm really happy and successful in whatever that I do. That's what was going on in my mind as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you wish to say anything to the mothers like you and me, and who really wanted to have the financial stability for a family, but not without losing ourselves in the whole journey of motherhood, and also our financial needs?
Yeah. I want to say to every mom, you are very special. You are something which God wants you to be. And then your kids are very special too. Give time to your children. Your presence matters most. We do have many years in our life till retirement to work and work and work. And the same we are doing at home, work and work and work. But give your time to your children because they deserve it. They need you. And this is important to understand. This is my small message to all the moms.
And I think, and our children deserving us is definitely there, but more than and that we deserve ourselves, right? We deserve
This is
our
an
sometime free and
yeah,
some passions for us to take care. And
yeah. This is right, Ashwarya. But I I have seen myself as a mom. Even when I am getting time for myself, still there are things in my mind. What can I do for my kids first? Isn't it? So yeah, when I finish with those things, then the things coming into my mind. Oh, okay. Now I need time for myself. So yeah, this is true. You need time for yourself because if you are healthy, if you are active, if you are mentally healthy and physically, then you will give a good life or good things to your children which is in yourself. So this is
yeah,
important to take care of yourself and then to your family.
yeah, that's true. That's true. Thank you so much, Sabha. It was so nice talking with you today. Thank you all for listening to us today. And if you have any queries, if you are interested to join our business, and you can either contact me or Sabah. And so we are more than happy to help you grow
Yeah.
together.